Hello YouTube, just want to go over a quick pickup that I got today. We'll start on the left. 2 cases of the 3-layer red, white, and blue slices by Wizard. The 3 cases of the 16-shot 2-inch half red, half blue with the white pistol. 2 cases Thunder King with the red tail. Picked up some more of these 30-shot PCA 046. 4 cases of 400-shot compound chaos. These are 4 different 100 shots. I essentially plan on using them like 4 different cakes. I'm not going to light them all back to back. 2 cases double barrel. By Maddox. Hits pretty hard. And then 100-shot fan. Red, white, and blue tails to salute.